What's wrong with genteelisms, like prior to and subsequent to?
Well, I have trouble parsing your question. Genteelism seems to me to be an overly charitable way to characterize them. They are, to me, they're like puff words. They're like using utilize instead of use, which in 99 cases out of 100 is just stupid. Or individual for person. More syllables is just puffed up. Why say prior to rather than before? Everybody knows what before means. It's fewer words. And I think technically, given the Latin roots, it should be posterior to if you're going to use prior to. So if you're saying prior to and subsequent to, you were in fact, in a very high level way, messing up grammatically. But would you ever want to say posterior to? No. So you don't say prior to. But you'll notice this is the downside of starting to pay attention. You start noticing, all the people who say at this time rather than now. Why did they just take up 1/3 of a second of my lifetime making me parse at this time rather than just saying now to me? And you start being bugged. But you get to be more careful and attentive in your own writing, so you become an agent of light and goodness rather than the evil that's all around.